This
Better to
conference will now be recorded.
Yep.
yeah, it's better to log in the laptop only to see
Yeah.
the wider view and at least to get the somehow real time because I am unable to access that application, right? So it is better to log in the laptop only. For each section, Mind Magics is only organizing or you are organizing. I'm not sure, but each section they
Yeah,
are.
yeah, yeah. Yeah. So Mind Magics organize these meetings. So yep.
That is okay. Because maybe first demo I saw that, but again,
Yeah. Okay. So we start very fundamentals.
oh,
I'll yeah. I'll give you some details. I mean, first we'll go some technical things.
okay.
Initially, I mean, the initial part of the training would be a little technical.
Okay.
Uh, I'm sorry, I just missed. Do you have a technical background or, I mean, no technical background?
Means you mean to say programming or
Just, tech, are you aware with the technologies? I mean, what is your education qualification? I mean,
I guess I told you, but again I will tell you. Mine is not from IT,
okay,
so
okay,
common
not an issue, not as a big as I'm sorry, just I missed that, so that's why I just
no
reconfirm.
problem because you are teaching so many people.
Okay, but anyway, yeah. But anyway, just a technical, my mean to say the technical, I will let you know how to earn, I mean, so that you'll have a better understanding of admin related tasks. So that is more. So to understand anything uh, in Documentum, because Documentum is a suite of suites of product. I mean, it is not like that only a single product work up internally a Documentum. It is combining uh, more than one products. Like we have, I told you. I mean, if you remember, a content server,
Yeah, yeah, I
application server, database
application
server. Right,
that's
right. So first we have to understand what is the products, how many products are available, what are the products, what is the internal architecture, how internally internal architecture interact with each other. One, initially you might may feel a little difficult, but don't think, I mean, take it that way, but gradually you will understand everything, right? So I mean, what I'm trying to say, do not um, give much pressure on a first day that you're not getting anything, but gradually you will understand every and each and every line what. So we will discuss whatsoever we will discuss in this session on and every session, but gradually you will understand, right?
yeah,
But
okay.
yeah, I will try my level best to make you understand even at the immediately, but sometimes it happens, uh, because the things are correlated with some other thing, and once you learn other thing, initial things get clear to you. I mean, how it's
Okay.
happening,
No problem. No problem. If anything
right?
I have doubt, no, I will just ask you also.
Yeah, yes, yeah, please. So that's an again very important thing. So the questions, I mean, if you ask me more question, you'll have a more clarity on that.
Okay.
So let me know once you're able to see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But uh, before that, uh, let me show you one product. Right. So initially, Documentum admin task. I mean, the job start with how to start the software, how to. I mean,
Just
because
one
uh,
one
yeah,
minute. Could
how.
you maximize your screen because the screen is occupying that half portion of this only. Because if you are pop up, sorry, if you are doing some maximizing screen, no, then I can understand and it is visible that I mean the contents are visible in what happens is the screen is occupied only half percentage. When
Is it so? Just give me a second. I mean, oh,
no problem. So I will wait.
it's something in your system, I think, because I can check that. I mean, it is displaying because I can see the view how it is. It should display to you, but I can see in that view everything is clear.
Means you displaying that half portion only. Like I can see that the contents are not at all okay. Sir, could you please that black box is there, right? Menu bar. There some maximum button is there. That is okay.
See, I'm just sharing you one screenshot.
Yeah.
You know, it tell me
Oh,
what I see. This you should display this.
okay.
I mean, just check over your WhatsApp
1 second.
because I can
That
see.
no no full
This is
not displaying, sir.
your view. What I can check from my end.
Wait. Now it is okay. Maybe that app I'm not familiar, sir. From starting
Oh,
onwards, I'm telling to this Mind Magics people. They are keep on organizing meeting, go to meeting only. I don't know what is the sentiment in that. I'm told to them. I mean, I have told to them to organize in Zoom. What is stopping to them? I'm not sure
okay,
because these
maybe.
options I'm not familiar. This is second and third time I'm telling. What is the problem in can organize sections in Zoom? I'm not getting.
Maybe there's some finance
No, I
related thing.
will ask them,
Maybe.
no problem. Because this is not correct actually. I'm unable to do, I mean, what I can say, I'm unable to view the things and also I'm unable to understand the options.
Okay.
Because training difficulties and all, I'm not expecting. Where is that organizer? I'm not sure. If it is there, I need to tell to them. Why they are
Give me a
not
second.
our words.
Let me ask Akhil to come in. Yes, to
Demo
join the
onwards,
session.
I'm telling, sir. B is no, I don't know what is the problem from with him.
Give me a second.
Or if I want to organize, I will only organize, no problem. I will create one meeting, you can join that. I don't have any issue with that.
But what if man, how would you that get the recorded session?
So
Even
record.
I
Ah,
do not have an issue.
no problem. You just talk to him, sir. Otherwise, shall I talk to him?
No, even he wouldn't have an issue. I mean, what
Zoom
I'm
means we cannot get the recorded sections.
sorry.
Zoom means we cannot get the recorded session. I'm not aware. Sorry.
Even no, because they people they record the things either on cloud or somewhere. Then they will maybe let me check with the Akhil. I mean, what's
No,
your query?
I don't have any problem, but problem is that screen is not visible properly. I popped out that session also, but the screen is very. I can see only this micro content only. It's not visible actually. That options and to note down also. There I am getting problem. Otherwise, I don't have any problem with this go to meeting.
Uh, Give me a second. I'm just asking Akhil to join. I mean, he can resolve what exactly what.
Hello.
I think that Mind Magic's guy will are trying to give you a call to check what is the issue with you. For this, maybe they will sort out.
Okay.
Yes. I mean, you are not able to see the screen, right? So that's, I mean,
No, I
let
can
us check.
able to see the screen, but half a portion only.
Yeah, yeah. I
And
mean, they
also
will.
I'm unable
Yeah.
to, the
They,
contents are very, what I can, visibility is very small, micro content. I couldn't able to view screen, I mean, see that screen properly.
is it is it possible to you to give me a screenshot? I mean, would it be possible? I mean, exactly how you are looking. I mean, what is so that I
Now, no, if I'm
just
zooming, no, fully it is gone actually. 1 minute, 1 minute.
just take a screen. I mean, take a click and share me over WhatsApp so that I could check what exactly. Even I mean,
50% only, but it is blurred actually.
yeah, yeah. Can you? Yeah, yeah. That's what. Just give me so that I could.
That I will tell you. So this is 50% zoom only. I'm taking the picture.
No,
I
that
don't
I
have.
understand. No, I'm saying, can you please click the picture of your screen from your mobile? Yeah, yeah. You shared me.
That is 50% only. So like that it is visible means I couldn't able to see anything. Either I will give a I mean uh, I will do one thing. So in that half portion only that screen contents you can maximize in that. So that one by one we will go ahead. Then we can see that instead of
Okay, yeah, I got just. I think we have a Mind Magics guy. Hello. Uh, may I know who's there from Mind Magics?
Yeah, hi, Sharma. This is Elias from Mind Magics.
Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me, Mr. Sharma?
Yeah, so much disturbance and noise coming from your. Yeah, yeah. I mean, so Krishna having some issues. I mean, he is not able to view the screen.
Okay, okay. You have to make him the organizer, then he can view the screen. I will be making him the organizer. Now
Okay,
he can view the screen.
Krishna, is it fine for you now? I mean,
no.
yeah, Krishna is already organizer, but still not able to see the 50% of the screen. So can you please check? Okay, don't worry, Krishna. Let me proceed first. In case if you still, I mean that I will repeat the session again. I will right one more time. Would it be fine for you? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah. I'm saying let me proceed right now. I mean this session, and we'll have this session once again, one more time once this issue is sorted out. I mean,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
And fine.
Fine. Fine.
So let's utilize this time. Do not waste this time. and my team, I mean, they people will check with you again, and in case if it is not resolved, we'll have a again this session again, so that
Okay.
until it is not clear to you, so we'll not move further. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay, so I told you we'll discuss the architecture part. Initially, we'll see what is the architecture of Documentum. Basically, here we'll look the architecture of content server,
Okay.
right? We'll see the architecture of content server, not whole Documentum. We'll see the architecture of content server,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
So, and also I want from you that just drop me this email with this issue, so that I could send to some technical persons that, right? Just one liner email, fine. So that the people will give you a call and check. And
What do I send actually?
just I mean, you are not seeing the 50% screen, so they will check. Okay.
Okay. Main magics person, no?
Just send, okay, share it to me. Copy the mind magics. I will forward it to the mind magic.
You
You
are
have my mail ID.
using.
You do not. Oh, I will share it over the WhatsApp. Don't worry. Okay. So basically, in this
No, some
PPT, will
echo problem also coming from your side. Hello.
echo. Just give me a second. Maybe is that okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So we'll discuss the content server, doc broker. I mean, these are the some modules related with Documentum architecture. We'll discuss.
Okay.
So basically, when we say the content server, what is the content server? Content server is a combination of database and database. Sorry, file storage and database.
Okay.
Right? Content server is a combination of file storage and database.
Okay.
So why file storage, why database? I mean, why the content server has such a structure? Rather, why I mean, why we required intermediate layer? I mean, this content server layer. Why can't we directly go to the database and directly like this? Are you getting my point?
Still some noise. I mean, background. Okay.
Hello, is it?
Oh, yeah. Now it is fine.
So
So okay. So I understood that RDBM is mainly for the relational database. So when user is writing or when user is searching any query for the document which is stored in that repository of the doc base, so RDMS will help to give that queries. I mean, give the information from the database. So that's the main work for the relational database. So that OS is mainly for the storage of the documents in the repository, I guess.
yes,
Or
exactly.
okay.
Right. So
And also
basically,
OS will use that hardware and software, if I'm not wrong. Basically, OS means it's a combination of hardware and software.
right,
Uh, for in this context, I'm not sure, but with which purpose OS will serve.
correct. See, basically, what is a content server? Content server or document, this whole documentum, it's DMS, basically document management system. Here,
Okay.
what we are doing, we are managing a documents,
Okay.
right? So when I say the document management system, it's we are managing a documents means we have some content file that we stored somewhere and manage those contents or those documents, right?
Okay.
So so definitely, I mean, if we are storing a document, then we have to copy or keep documents somewhere in some storage area, right? I mean, because they are the physical documents,
Yes. Yes.
physical, right? They are the physical documents, so we have to keep somewhere those physical. And second, s- one document is there, right? and there are certain metadata regarding a document, right? Let me just I'll give you an example. Let's understand by this one example. We have this one PDF file, right? We have one.
No, no, I understood the metadata because metadata is nothing but data
Okay,
about the data. So
okay,
I can give you
okay.
the example. There is one document number is there. Okay. So
Mhm.
relating to the document number, version or relating to this example, I can say if you are purchasing any article or items. So example 10. 10 means comes under the data. Numbers comes as a metadata, which is comes as a which will give the complete information like a unit of
Correct.
measure.
Exactly, correct. So that's
So and
why,
all,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah. So, yeah,
And also, if you want to write the exact figure like 34.00 means, then that it comes as a complete information. And also, there will be any other units or other information which can be used to represent the complete data. It's nothing but a metadata. I can.
correct. So, I mean, so for the yeah, yeah. For the metadata, we store the metadata at the relational database. That's why database is required.
Okay.
And that content file goes to the particular storage system, particular storage, right?
Oh,
So this storage is, yes, it's kind of a hardware. For so many storages are available. It can be any network drive. It can be your Windows drive, C drive, D drive, E drive, like this. Or you can have a storage right on cloud. You can have a storage on online storage, right? So many storage, even so many storage hardwares available that is supported by the content server, like Santira is an example, right? So uh, what is the Santira is basically a file storage that keeps documents inside it as an encrypted format, right? If you it's kind of plug and play device, like just like your pen drive or just like your flash drive.
okay.
If you, so the difference between normal drive and the Santira drive is that you easily can navigate to the particular drive. I mean, in the normal drive, you can just double click, do the folder, you can create a document, you can easily view documents, right? But Santira keeps the document or folder in an encrypted format, so you cannot easily recognize any of the file in the Santira. I mean, if you click on it, you'll see some mm, unknown format of document, like something abc dot abc, like this. So it's not easily recognizable document. So it copy that in encrypted format just for the security purpose, or for, right? So now, basically, I'm saying that contains this whole portion. I was saying, this combination of operating and database and operating system. This whole combination make one unit, one virtual unit, and that virtual unit is called Dogbase,
Okay.
right? So basically, we do not say that we have a database or file storage. Rather, we say we have a Dogbase or repository.
Okay.
I mean, virtually, we look it look like a Dogbase, but basically internally, in actual, it's a combination of database and file system. RDBMS and file system. Got it?
Okay.
But in actual, if you look at it, it looks like Dogbase. I mean, you say that you are working in a Dogbase or repository. Dogbase or repository, both are the synonym of each other. So you can say that you are working in a repository. I mean, you are storing a document in a repository, or you are keeping or importing a document in a repository or a doc base. But in actual, what is happening? Your that content, the document is going to file storage, and the related metadata is storing at database.
Okay.
Any doubt, any confusion, clarification if you need?
No, no, because I just gone through one manual also. If you want, this is
Mhm.
okay. This is okay. This is basic thing, no? I don't have any problem.
Okay.
But so wherever we go, this content will not change, right? Like the representation and the doc base and all. So it won't change, I guess. Yeah. Okay. It's theory only. Hello? 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 My voice is audible to you? Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello, am I audible? Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
No, no, I am talking continuously. I didn't get response.
Even
I'm not familiar. I think almost 2 or 3 minutes the session is disturbed. Even though I writing in the chat box also. I'm not sure what you are explaining to me. I'm
okay.
talking hello, hello, and no response.
Yeah.
No, no, not from
Okay.
your side. I'm telling go to meeting.
Uh, okay, I got it. Okay. Uh, anyway, will I mean let I still that guy is not there. Let me. I mean just ask this.
I don't know. Starting itself, it is going like this. I don't know in future what it will happen. This frequent disturbance means it will keep on giving this less interest to this meeting. Okay, you carry on, no problem. This is theoretical, I can listen. But
Oh
once
yeah.
they are using the screen means if the problem is not resolved means I can ask them to postpone the session until that get clarified. Either Zoom or they should give the recording session in the good app.
Oh yeah.
Where
Yeah.
it, otherwise it is a waste of I mean your time and my time also.
Of course, exactly.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. We'll see that. I mean how we can resolve this. Even I will ask this Akhil as well from Mind Magics. Okay. So what I was saying, we have a content server and the doc base now, right? This whole part is, I mean, it's a backend part basically, right? So basically, content server access doc base. Got it? I mean, through the content server, I mean, here
No,
is
no,
the
your
end
voice
user.
is giving disturbance. No, I don't know from where you are connecting, mobile or desktop. I don't know.
No, no, no. I am just connecting through my. I mean, I have a very high and even good system is there.
No, no, correct. Maybe sometimes app problem also will come. So your
Yeah,
voice
it
is
seems so.
okay, not clear actually.
I mean,
One minute it is giving that clear voice. Later again it's showing the something. I mean, I can see that the voice is having some disturbances in background.
so I mean, let's do one thing. I mean, let me ask, and then we start a session. Let me ask this guy. I mean, is there any challenge, or can we have a Zoom meeting? Would it be fine for you? I mean, if we can,
No, wherever we, I mean, whichever app we can choose, whether it is giving the content and the clarity, the clear management, I am okay with the same app.
okay. So let's do one thing. Let me try this session. I mean, are you okay at 10 o'clock around today? 10, and let me ask this guy to come and join the session, and or what you want. I mean,
Can I call him now? Because I don't have anyone's mail ID and
uh,
unnecessarily create problem as well.
so yeah. So do one thing. Let's. Let me.
No, I will
Take
let
take
him
the.
call to him.
You know this guy Akhil.
Till I know.
Just yeah. Tell him that your issue is that you're facing these issues. So
Then it will count as a not not a session only. Even this and all. 1 minute, I will just present my screen. Even my present screen also organizer to give the permission on.
give me. Let me. Yeah. That I can. Yes. Just try to. Now try. Try to present your skin. Let me check. What?
You can see, right?
Yeah. Yeah. I can see.
One basics also. I'm just complicated such. Some basics, I think, seeing that this book I have downloaded, I guess. I'm not wrong. This is
Mhm.
also useful book, no?
Yeah. Yeah. That's a useful, but it has a more technical stuff. Just only basic documentum things.
Right. Maybe I'm not from the technical background, no? So yes, this is also same file only display. This EMC, I think.
Yeah.
This also, I guess, will be helpful, right?
Yeah.
I think almost all the chapters which are there in this taxonomies category outlook, everything it is there.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's very deep.
So what I do, no, that's I got it. So this your the voice problem and this two issues.
Now, first of all, hello.
Yeah, yeah. Tell me.
Okay, I will disconnect. I can consider this as a invalid session.
Of course. So what we do? Let's. I will let me ask Akhil and check.
No, no. If it is possible to arrange organize Zoom in the within 10 minutes, means I am
Yeah,
okay.
yeah,
If
yeah.
again at 10
That's what.
o'clock and ten
Um,
thirty minutes, maybe such kind of interest won't come. Maybe I am okay still because it's a basic class, right?
yeah, yeah. Let me. Yeah. Let me say. If he could, and I will ask him to call you so that you'll just tell him
No, no,
that
they
your
are
issue.
calling also different numbers. I haven't saved any one number or
No, no.
daily
I
one.
have. Yeah, yeah. Let me ask. Let me say them.
Otherwise,
Let
you
me
share
say him
his
just call.
number. I will only talk to him.
Yeah. Even I will share your number as well.
Yeah.
So right now, just I'm just because it's just a wasting of your time and my time both. I mean, as because if you're not hearing me and my voice is not clear, and so let me to postpone this session for once this issue is resolved, either for tomorrow or in the
No,
late
no, no,
evening.
no, no. I can do only 3 classes, as I said. I
So
want this session. I don't want to skip the session. At least 3 days I need to, because that as on days are going means my time is counting from
right,
my side. No, I
exactly.
don't have any some relaxed time and all.
So are you okay to
Once it
meet?
started means it should be continued. Maybe I can take some 3 or 4 days break, but again I will forget. I am not a technical person. From starting onwards, I am telling. I couldn't be do in the relaxed mode, and I should understand the concept in a very clear manner. There I
Exactly.
cannot compromise anything.
That's what I'm telling you. That's what I mean. The same thing. That's why I'm saying.
No,
I
no, no.
mean,
I will attend today only. I will not miss that. So you share its
yeah,
number. I'm ending this meeting.
yeah.
I
That's
will.
so.